Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your shipyard business. So let's suppose I'm running a shipyard business and I'm receiving many queries and messages on my WhatsApp. I'm manually replying to all of the queries and this is consuming a lot of my time, so I'm completely going to automate this process. And to do this automation, I'm going to create a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. With the help of this WhatsApp chatbot, whenever this chatbot is created, the user is going to send me the message and I'm going to automatically reply to that user based on their queries. Now, if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to see how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your shipyard business. For this, I've created a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and now we are going to check this WhatsApp chatbot once whether it is working fine or not. And I'm going to open my WhatsApp web and I'm going to send some message like. So here I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply and you will see that I have received this reply. Hi, welcome to Oceanic Shipyard. How can we help you today? Please choose an option below. So these are the options which I'm provided. If I click on any of the buttons, you will see that I'm going to receive the response according to my choice or the query. If I click on this boat repair, I have received this great. We offer repair service. And these are the services. If I click on this maintenance, I'm going to receive the next reply that these are the maintenance which we offer. And if I click on this request a quote, it is going to ask me some questions and I have to answer them. So it has asked me some questions like please enter the boat type, required service, preferred date. So I'm going to enter all these details and I'm going to send this message. Like the boat type is this, required service is this, and the preferred date is this. Then it has sent me you have entered these details. Your request will be forwarded and a team member will reply soon. So this is how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to run. And now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your shipyard business. For this, I'm going to create a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And to visit Pabbly Chatflow, we simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. And after browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow access now. And it has taken me towards this dashboard where I will be able to find all the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and the WhatsApp number added in my Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to learn how you can create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this add WhatsApp number. You can connect your WhatsApp number by clicking on this button, and you can use a manual token to connect or create your own Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, then please visit our YouTube channel. Now on the left hand side where I can see all these options, under this dashboard I have this option of inbox. So this is the central place to manage and reply to customer conversations. Next we have this contacts. So this manage your leads, customers and their details. We have this team queues. So this assign and manage incoming chats among team members. We have this templates. So this create and manage reusable message templates for campaigns. We have this broadcast. So this send bulk messages to selected contacts or segments. We have this flow, so this build automated chatbot workflows and conversation sequences. We have this AI assistant, so this use AI tool to auto-generate replies, content or suggestions. We have the settings, so this configure account integration and preferences. And finally get help, which will help access support, FAQs or contact the help desk. Now moving back to dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now to create this WhatsApp chatbot, we have to move towards flows. On the left hand side where we can see all these options, so I'm going to click on this flows. Let's open this. And it has taken me towards this flow builder. Over here I can see the total flows, active flows and inactive flows. Now to create a new flow, you simply need to click on this add flow. So let's open this. And first we have to name this flow. So let's quickly name this flow to WhatsApp chatbot for your shipyard business. Now, before we start creating this WhatsApp chatbot, on the left hand side, we have these two very most important options. And under these options, we have very most important buttons, which we will be using while creating this chatbot. So under this messages, we have this text button and media button, with the help of which we are going to send the text message, media, image, document, or anything like that. We have this option of list. So if you have many options to provide to your customers, you can use this list instead of using the buttons. If you want to send the catalog message, you can use this. If you want to send the single product, you can use this. If you have multiple or many products, you can use this multi-product button. Now, this template is a pre-designed message format that includes text, images, buttons, and links. Moving on to the next option of actions. Under actions, we have this condition. With the help of this condition, we will be able to branch the flow. With the help of this ask address, we will be able to fetch the details, address details of the customer. We can ask their location. We can ask any question. We can ask them to upload the media. We can ask them to send the images or anything or the documents. We can set the custom fields. We can segment the users. With the help of this add tag, we can use this API request to send or retrieve the data from external APIs to enhance chatbot functionality. And finally, we can use this connect flow to link this flow to another chatbot flow. Now let's quickly start creating this WhatsApp chatbot. And to start or activate or trigger this WhatsApp chatbot, we have to enter the keywords and the regex. So here I'm going to enter some commonly used keywords like the hello, hey, and hi. Hello, press enter. Hey, press enter. Now over here, you can also enter the keywords from the products and services of your business. Like I'm running a shipyard business, so I can enter the shipyard or boat maintenance or something like that in the keywords. And that keyword, that particular word is going to trigger this WhatsApp chatbot. Next, we have this regex. So regex is like a smart search tool that helps chatbot identify patterns in user messages. So instead of manually listing out every possible keyword, you can define rule to match different variation of words or phrases. So here I'm going to enter the regex, and we have to make sure that we enter the regex in this particular format itself. Here I've entered this regex, and with the help of this regex, I'm going to trigger this chatbot. So you can either use this keyword, you can use this regex, you can use the both. I'm going to use regex to trigger my WhatsApp chatbot. Now here I have triggered this. Next, I have to create the message. Now when I'm going to send this message, I'm going to receive this message. So how we have created this message, I'm going to go back towards my flow, and I'm going to click on the circle, drag and drop the circle, and from my content type, I'm going to select anything. Over here, I've already explained you all the content types. I'm going to select this as text plus button because I want to send the message. So I'm going to enter my message like, welcome to Oceanic Shipyard. How can we help you today? Please choose an option, and then I'm going to provide the option. Now, if you have many options to provide, you can use this list button as I've told you earlier. You can enter the header, body, footer, and then you can add the section, and then you can keep adding the items in that particular section. Here I have just 3 options, so I'm going to simply click on this add button and provide 3 options. Here you can see that in this message, I have bold this text. So how I was able to bold this text? For that, I have entered star in the beginning and in the end of that particular sentence which I want to bold. And by this method, I will be able to bold this sentence when the message will be sent to my customer. So here I'm quickly going to add all the buttons now. So here I have created these buttons, so the boat repair, maintenance, and request a quote. And now I'm going to create messages for each of these buttons following the same process, with the help of which I've created this message. For that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to drag and drop this line from the circle, and then I'm going to select my content type. If I want to upload anything like the image, video, audio, or file, I'm going to select this as media. If I want to upload menu options, I'm going to select this as list. If I want to upload some product, I'm going to select these options. If I want to send template message, I'm going to select this option. Here I'm going to send a normal message, so I'm going to select this as text plus button so that I can write that text and provide the buttons. If I was selecting the media, for that, I'm going to select my media type as whatever I'm going to upload, and then I'm going to simply click on this cloud and upload that media, and it will be uploaded. We just need to make sure that the file limit do not exceed. So here I'm quickly going to create the messages for each of these buttons. So here I have created all the messages and buttons for each of those messages. First, I have created this for the boat repair. Great, we offer repair service, like these are the services, and would you like to schedule a repair or talk to an expert? If they click on the schedule a repair, I'm going to send them this message. So I'm going to build the connection. How we are going to build this connection? I have to click on this circle, drag and drop the circle, and then click on this circle, the message which I want to send. So here, as soon as they click on the scheduler repair, I'm going to send that message, and when they click on this talk to an expert, I'm going to send this message that this is the number, you can call on this number and my team member is getting back to you shortly. Then if they click on this maintenance, I'm going to send this message. We offer these things and do you want to book a service? If they click on this book a service, I'm going to send this message. You can see that I've created this connection with this message. And if they click on the see pricing, I'm going to send this message. These are the pricing details. And do you want to book a service or talk to an expert? If they click on this talk to an expert, I'm going to send this same message. Over here, you can see that I have created this connection between this box and this box. And then if they click on this book a service, I'm going to send the same message in which I'm going to ask the question. Now, this particular box is very important where I have asked the question. For that, what I have done, I have drag and drop this ask question. I have entered, please enter your boat type, required service and preferred date. And as soon as they are going to enter all these details, I'm going to receive that message and it will get saved, and then I'm going to send this customized message. Whatever they are going to add in that message, I'm going to send that message, and then this chatbot will come to an end. You can extend or create more buttons and messages in this chatbot. Now here, let's first go through this question. Whenever you are asking a question, you have to keep in mind that to create a contact custom field so that whatever answer is given by this user, it gets saved and you can create a message or you can save the details. Now on the left hand side where you can see all these options, you have to go towards the settings, and from here you have to open this contact custom field. Here I have asked this question and then I've selected this contact custom field as the answers. Here you can see all the fields which I've created, and then in this format I've selected this as any, because this answer could be in any. I'm not particularly asking them for the phone number or their name. So that's why I've selected the format as any. Now let's quickly open this contact custom field. So here I have landed towards this contact custom field, and you can see all the fields which I've created. I've created this field for this answers and I've simply copied. You can see this contact custom field copied to clipboard, and I have pasted that over here in this next message. You have entered. How it will appear? You can see that I have just copied it in front of you and then I have pasted that over here. So it will appear something like this. Now this dollar is going to make it dynamic. Whatever I'm going to answer it, it gets saved in this contact custom field, and when we use that contact custom field which we have copied from here, it starts reflecting in this messages. So I hope this is clear to you. You can use to create customized messages and save the details of your customers which we have answered of the question which you have asked them. So here we have successfully created this WhatsApp chatbot for your shipyard business. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbot automation. If you have any doubt or queries, you can drop a comment below this video. I hope you liked this video and enjoyed this video and understood this video completely. Thanks for watching.
Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.